Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your history on YouTube, all your search history, everything, all your activities on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to delete that in this video. So let's get straight into it. Open your YouTube app, go to your profile, go to settings. Now click on manage all history. Here you're going to see an option to delete or automatic delete. Click on delete. Click on delete all time. Now it will tell you confirm you would like to delete following activities. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history to personalize your experience. So YouTube use your activity to know what content they are going to recommend to you. They know the kind of stuff you like to watch. So they literally keep this data to know the kind of content they're going to give you in the future. So if you want a fresh start, you can always go and delete it. So for me, I'm not going to delete that. If you want to delete that, you click on this blue icon at the bottom and you're going to delete all your history, your watch history, everything you have searched for, all the video you have watched. So you're going to have a fresh start. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.